Hello students, you are most welcome in this video lecture. Today I am going to teach you about sentence and its kinds on the basis of meaning. As you know, sentence is an entity of English grammar and this is very important topic for you. When you will learn voice and narration, it will make your task easy and you will be able to apply the rules according to the sentence very easily to change the sentence from active to passive, to change the sentence from direct to indirect. So first of all, we will know about sentence. What is sentence? When we put some words together which gives proper meaning, which gives complete meaning, is called a sentence. There is a definition of sentence that we will see here. A group of words which makes complete sense is called a sentence. This is the definition of sentence. Here in this definition, it has been mentioned that there will be a group of words and that will be group of words will make a complete sense and that will be in the form of sentence. Means if there is a group of words and that group of words, if it makes the complete sense, so that is in the form of sentence. For example, it is raining today. There are 4 words in this example. In this example, there are 4 words. Means this is a group of words and this group of words has a complete sense, has a complete meaning. So we can say this is an example of sentence. Now we will move to the kinds of sentence on the basis of meaning. There is a contradiction here. In some book there are 4 types of sentence. In some there are 5 types of sentence. If we see this on the basis of our daily life, sometimes we use some words to tell something, sometimes we use some words to ask something, sometimes we use some words to advise, suggest something, sometimes we use some words to show surprise, and sometimes we use some words to wish, bless or curse something. So these are the types of sentence that we are going to study. In this way, there are 5 types of sentence on the basis of meaning. Among them, the first one is assertive sentence. That is also called by the name declarative sentence. What is assertive sentence or what is declarative sentence? The sentence that makes a statement is called assertive sentence, or the sentence that gives an information is called assertive or declarative sentence. For example, he is going to market. He is going to market. There is an information here, so we will put this sentence in the category of assertive sentence. Information may be 2 types. Information may be 2 types. In this way, assertive sentence can be categorized into 2 categories. The first one is positive sentence and the second one is negative sentence. Positive sentence is also called by the name affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence. If the information is positive, that is positive sentence. If the information is negative, that is negative sentence. Okay. Now the second one is interrogative sentence. What is interrogative? As I told you, in our daily life, when we put some words together to ask something, that is interrogative sentence. The sentence that makes a question, this is the definition of interrogative. The sentence that makes a question is called interrogative sentence. For example, do you take tea? There is a question here in this sentence. Do you take tea? So this is an example of interrogative. Interrogative sentence ends with a question mark. Interrogative sentence can be categorized into two categories. That is yes or no type, first one, and the second one is WS type. What is yes or no type interrogative? When the sentence starts with auxiliary verb. Just in the example you see, do is an auxiliary verb. So its answer may be yes or no. So this is yes or no. And what is WS type? When the sentence starts with a WS type word like why, what, whom, whose, which, etc. So this was the interrogative. Now the third one is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. What is imperative sentence? The sentence that makes a command, a request, an advice, suggestion is called imperative sentence. For example, please help him. Please help him. There is a sense of request here. Help the poor. Help the poor. There is a sense of advice. Okay. There is a sense of suggestion. So imperative sentence, the sentence that expresses command, request and advice, suggestion is called imperative. Okay. Now the fourth one is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. What is exclamatory sentence? The sentence that expresses strong feeling is called exclamatory sentence. For example, what a pretty bird. What a pretty bird. Exclamatory ends with a sign of exclamation. Exclamatory sentence ends with a sign of exclamation as you see here. What a pretty bird. There is a sense of surprise, wonder. How fast he is running. How fast he is running. How fast he is running. There is a sense of surprise, wonder. So the sentence that expresses sudden feeling is called exclamatory sentence. Now the last one, fifth one is optative sentence. Optative sentence. What is optative sentence? The sentence that expresses wish, bless, curse, etc. is called optative sentence. For example, may you live long, may God bless you. These are the examples of optative sentence. As I told you, the sentence that expresses the sense of wish, bless, pray, curse, etc. is called optative sentence. Thank you very much for watching the video. See you in the next session with a new topic. Thank you.